Does microwaving food reduce its nutritional value? Microwave ovens heat and cook food by energizing its molecule. This energy is then converted into heat. Microwave oven does this by the production of electromagnetic radiation. This electromagnetic radiation is not harmful like ionizing radiation, and it does not increase the risk of cancer. Furthermore, there is no scientific evidence to suggest that microwaving food reduces its nutritional value. In fact, all forms of cooking reduce the nutritional values of food to some extent as a result of heat destroying the nutrient structure. Because microwave cooking times are generally shorter and use lower temperatures than other forms of cooking, lesser nutrients are lost from shorter heat exposure than many of the other means of cooking. Thus, microwaving food does not reduce its nutritional value. For more health in a minute videos like this, subscribe to ABC Tutorial.